Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to see our fashion hacks. We hope that you will love our tips and hopefully find them helpful. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. The first tip is a useful trick when wearing pants. Of course, we all have that one pair of pants where the zipper keeps going down halfway. This is the perfect tip in that situation. Get a small rubber band. This will help keep the zipper from going down. Pull the band through the zipper. It will be hidden, so it won't show when you're wearing your pants. Put the rubber band up on the button, and it will hold your zipper up. No problem. The second tip is best for autumn jackets. Sometimes the sleeves are a little bit too long, and we want to raise the sleeves up. But if we fold them up, the inside liner shows, and if we raise the sleeves up, they just keep falling down. For this tip, we need 2 rubber bands. Hair bands work great. Put the band on the outside of the jacket where you want to fold it. Pull the sleeve up to where you want the sleeve to rest, and then unfold to cover the band. Now the sleeves won't come down. Perfect! The third tip is for pants that are too big at the waist. A simple way is to, of course, wear a belt to keep the pants from going down. But sometimes the style that we want to wear doesn't include wearing a belt, or we might not have a belt that we like or matches the outfit. So for this, grab yourself a shoelace. Put the shoelace behind the back 3 belt loops and then tie it behind you. If you tuck your shirt in front, you won't show the back, so nobody needs to know the shoelaces are there. If you're wearing a crop top, then you can just tuck the laces behind your pants to hide them. No more loose pants. This next tip is for fall or winter fashions, when you want to tuck your shirt into your pants to make your legs look longer, but with a fall or winter sweater. With heavier sweaters, when you tuck them in, the fabric is so thick that it makes this awkward bulge. So instead of tucking it in, making it into a crop top is another helpful tip. Tuck the bottom of the sweater under your bra. Folding the sweater up and under is another helpful tip to make it into a crop top. Much better. Now this next tip is for pants that you've purchased online without trying them on and end up having pants that are at an awkward length. For this, you can fold the hem up once or twice to make them cuter. It will give them a better fit and add a detail to the style. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you again next time. Have a wonderful day. Make sure to hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it.